Yeah. Jeezy. Okay. Yo. My mom said go to school, nigga. Get the fuck up off the couch. But I'm just chillin', and I'm about to get kicked out. But I don't give a shit, I'm too cool for school. So I'm gonna do what I do. My mom said get up off the couch and go to fucking school. But I'm like, oh well. Yeah, I'm getting kinda lazy. I'm chillin' like Stunner and Baby. I ain't never seen class. Chillin' sitting down on my motherfucking ass. No cash, well I got a little. I'm chillin' like motherfucking McChicken griddles. Niggas don't wanna mess. I'm chillin' in my house. No ounce of stress. Got nothing on my chest. No work or no class. I guess I'm fucking blessed. I got a car payment to owe, and I got no dough. Wait a minute, yo. I got a couple stacks for the packs in the back. I've been making that money off the motherfucking trap. My dad's fed up. He's about to call the feds and get me locked up. This nigga's getting aggy. I'm just chillin' all summer ballin' Aggie. Niggas calling me like daddy, but I don't give a fuck. Put him in the caddy. I bring it back like Tommy Brady. Niggas getting dumb and I rob they fucking lady. My mom said get up off the couch, go to fucking school, do something for yourself. But I'd rather just chill, pop a fucking pill, you know how I do. That's what me and D-Mac do. We hit the gym at 3 o'clock, that's how long we're sleeping with the fucking fish. Niggas getting dumb and they getting fucking hit, and we're getting ripped.